Last video I was showing you that right there, the little double. Then we were cutting those limbs, and pretty much all we had was the face there. I don't even know if I had the landing done there, and a little bit dug over there. Well, now we've got, what'd you say, a lot of dirt, I'll say that.
Yeah, we got about, I'd say
6
foot of dirt. 6 foot.
I'd say it's about 6.5, 7 foot from the ground up. Probably about 10 foot this way and about
If it all has grass,
8 foot that way.
Let it die out.
Yeah, but all this ain't good dirt. It's got a bunch of grass in it. So I gotta wait for all that to die out and decompose. So all this right here is just from, I hadn't started over there yet, but scraping this right here. Just this little area right here. And we gotta go around over there, cut back in here again, go back out, and all this right here. Yes, sir.
250,000 F.
250,000 F?
Yeah. I'm about to go whip it over that double.
You wish.
Yeah, I will.
It's about a 20, I think. 20 foot double right there. Then I added this berm right here.
Got a 800 foot long berm.
I'm not sure if that berm right there was there in the last video.
Can I hit the berm?
Go ahead, buddy.
Get me on video. Backfire.
So yeah, he just kind of showed you what it was like to go around that turn right there. It's really pretty long. Pretty much that used to be a triple, and then it was way too close to the fence there, and I wanted to have enough room to go around this corner, at least clear the double there. So I just ended up taking out the whole landing, using it to make this berm right here. It's a pretty nice size. We've got to hurry up and get the tractor running, because when we get the tractor running, we'll till it up and maybe even make a little jig to go behind it, pick up some of these bigger rocks. Here's what it looks like. A little crooked right there, but we're gonna throw a jump right in the middle there. The track's gonna be coming toward the camera right here. Sir, we need to hurry up and get us some kind of water set up and get the tractor going so we can till some of this up. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. Stay tuned for part 3. Be sure to go subscribe and share for more. I reckon I'll see you guys in the next one.